Pinta giant tortoise. Since then, an expedition team located some first-generation hybrid tortoises on nearby Volcan Wolf, a volcanic peak on northern Isabela Island, another of the Galapagos Islands in Ecuador. Splendid poison frog. Because they were once widely kept as pets, there remains a possibility that living specimens exist in captivity. Unfortunately, there are no known splendid poison frogs inhabiting zoos or research collections. Spixus macaw. Unfortunately, the illegal pet trade served as a significant factor in driving the bird to extinction in the wild, as did habitat loss. Hope for the continuation of the species lies in captive breeding programs that intend to reintroduce the birds to the wild. Pyrenean ibex. Scientists took skin cells from the animal's ear and preserved them in liquid nitrogen, and in 2003, an ibex was cloned, making it the first species to become unextinct. Bramble K. melamis. The Queensland state government said it was the first documented mammal extinction caused by human-made climate change. Loss of habitat, particularly the island's vegetation, occurred due to rising sea levels. Furthermore, the analysis undertaken by Queensland government scientists indicates that storm surges also led to the drowning of some animals. Western black rhino. The rhino was listed as critically endangered in 2008, but a survey of the animal's last remaining habitat in northern Cameroon failed to find it, or even indicators of its presence. No West African black rhinos are known to be kept in captivity. All rhinos are in trouble, although things seem to be looking up for eastern black rhinos as population numbers continue to rise. Murian viviparous tree snail. The African land snail was introduced to Tahiti in 1967 as a food source, but the plan backfired when it escaped and began to destroy crops. Biologists later attempted to control that snail by introducing a predator, the rosy wolf snail, in 1977. The rosy wolf snail then eradicated native snails, including the Murian viviparous tree snail. This and other species of Polynesian tree snails now only exist in captive populations. Pu'uli, recorded for the first time by college students participating in the Hana Rainforest Project on the southeastern slopes of Haleakala in 1973, this bird ate spiders, insects, beetles, butterfly larvae, and snails. At the time, its population was estimated to be only around 200. Baiji. The last documented sighting was in 2002. The decline in the Baiji dolphin population is attributed to a variety of factors including overfishing, boat traffic, habitat loss, pollution, and poaching. The animal lived in the Yangtze River for 20 million years, only to be wiped out in less than 50 by human activity. Maui akapaw. Like other Hawaiian forest birds, habitat loss, competition from introduced species, and disease led to its disappearance. Researchers blame avian flu spread by introduced mosquitoes for the extinction of the Maui akapaw. Alaotra grebe. The Alaotra grebe population began to decline in the 20th century because of habitat destruction and because the few remaining birds started mating with little grebes, creating a hybrid species. Considering the bird's restricted range and lack of mobility, scientists declared it extinct. Today, only one photograph exists of an Alaotra grebe in the wild.